Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a bacon steak BLT. I'm probably going to do it triple decker. We're going to add some flares to it. But this is what we got today. We're working with bacon steak. You guys see that? It's a 1/2 inch thick bacon. Hey, that's what we're doing today on Cooking with Corey. Bacon steak BLT next. Alright, the starts of our show today. We got some delicious bacon steak, which I picked up from my Russ's Market. And you can just see how thick that is, 1/2 inch thick. We got some fresh thyme, we got shallot, garlic, Cholula, some maple syrup, mayonnaise. You down south and East Coast, probably use Duke's. Hey, some grape tomatoes, some cracked pepper, some olive oil, some nice bread. And that's going to be the start. That's what we're going to work with today. I've already done the other 4 of these, so I'm just going to show you guys one. Here's what we're doing. We got our delicious maple syrup here, and we're just giving these a bath with a brush and maple syrup, like so. And then we are giving them some fresh cracked pepper. Just like that. Get them nice and coated. Alright, we're ready for a bath in a 400-degree oven until they're done. I'm definitely not going to tell you a time. These are super thick. They're going to have to get done the way I like them. And the best course of action would be to do this either on your Blackstone outside, or your Camp Chef, or the oven. And if you're doing them outside, you need to put a weight on them. They're just so thick. We're going to do these in the oven. Alright, it's about chop-o-matic time. So we got shallot, we got a clove of garlic, we got a fresh thyme, and we got some delicious grape tomatoes. And these are going to go to the pan with a little olive oil. I did not finish cutting the tomatoes when you guys were watching. I did finish that whole container of grape tomatoes. It was a 10-ounce container, so they're in there with our shallot, they're in there with our garlic, and they're in there with our thyme. And right now we're going to hit that with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to hit it with some kosher salt, and we're going to hit that with some fresh cracked pepper. Hey, what we're going to do, blister these up, reduce this down a little bit. That's going to be our tomato in our BLT. While everything else is working, we're going to do something really complex. You guys really got to pay attention here. This is really hard. Nah, I'm kidding. It's not hard at all. So we're taking our mayonnaise. Probably 3.5, good 4 tablespoons there. We got our Cholula right there. However hot you want it. Let's say that's good. Let's make it 2 teaspoons. Good 2 teaspoons. A little bit of kosher salt. And a little bit of fresh cracked pepper in there. Now you could add some lime juice, you could add some lemon juice, you could add some orange juice, you can do what you want at this point in time. Hey, we're keeping it simple here on Cooking with Corey. And we're going to mix this up. There's our mayo. All right, time to build this bad boy. So toasted 3 pieces of bread here. We got 1 there and 2 here. we got our sriracha mayo. So let's start building here. Sriracha mayo. First layer there. We will add, obviously, some delicious lettuce. We will add our tomato mixture that we worked hard on. Get it all around so you get every bite. And then, stars of our show, which is definitely our bacon. So boom, boom, 2 big thick slices of that bacon right there. So we're just gonna keep building because, you know, we're doing a triple decker. We're not messing around here. So then we will do another layer of our sriracha mayo on this side of it. I'll go down on top of our bacon and tomato. And another layer on top of that. Like so. With another nice lettuce leaf on there. And some more of our delicious tomato mixture. On top of that. The thyme is so young, those little strands, they aren't going to hurt you at this point in life. They are going to be delicious and you can eat them. It's not going to hurt you if that was your thing or worrying about it. It's not going to be there. So, alright, it's that point. Now, we need to add some more of our delicious bacon. Our delicious maple cracked pepper bacon. And we're going to do 2. And just because we can, squeeze another in there. Like so. And we'll finish it off with another layer of our sriracha mayo on our bread. Aside for a second. I'm going to hit this with a little bit more of our tomato mixture on top. Like so. And just because we can, add a little bit more lettuce to that. And we're going to cap it off, guys. Alright, get a better angle, we'll cut it. The whole time I was talking about our mayo mixture that we did, I called it sriracha. It's Cholula. It's Cholula and mayo. Not sriracha. My bad. Alright, what we got? Chopstick. We're going to stab a chopstick in here. Another chopstick right here. We're going to put it right here. And then we're going to take our knife and we're going to run it across the middle of those. Like so. Are you guys ready? You guys ready for this? Alright. Let's do it. Let's see what this sucker looks like in the middle. Alright. Look at that. Is that not the most ultimate BLT you've ever seen in your life? Looking good. Bacon steak, BLT right there, with some roasted tomatoes, lettuce, some delicious Cholula mayo. We added some shallot. We added some garlic. Hey, this is what we get. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell for Cooking with Corey. We'll see you next week.